Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. I want to introduce our new project that we're starting today. This is kind of in conjunction with the character study we did on Joseph and some other character conversations that we've been having. We've talked about a lot about who we want to become and who, especially with the video that you guys, or the podcast you guys listened to yesterday, kind of getting in the mindset of, oh, someday I want to do this, someday I want to be known for this, someday I want to be this. This will help kind of solidify that, and you get to pick what you want to be known for and the character you want to be known for. And the way that that was depicted in the old days in Europe specifically was through shields or crests or banners. And so this is just an example right here of an old one, usually divided into 4 quadrants. You don't have to divide it into 4 quadrants. You can be very creative in the way that you do this. The symbols that you pick can be completely unique to you. They don't have to be old like this. They can be modern if you want them to be. And again, the goal here is that you would pick things that are important to you, or that even a character trait that you look up and say, hey, what's a symbol for this? You can do that totally and throw it in there. 4 characteristics of your character and what you want it to be, who you want to become, and what you want to be known for. Off to the side, you can do this on a Google slide like this. Off to the side, I want you to explain each characteristic and kind of what, if this was yours, what the castle would represent or what the lion would represent. And so you're explaining each of those 4 symbols off to the side away from your crest. Again, you can do this in Google Drawings. You can do it in Google Slides. Be creative with it. You must have one scripture reference that goes with kind of the theme of your crest, or the foundation, if you will, that you kind of want to have as your theme. And you can just put that underneath the crest down below. Whether you do it on a Google Drawings or Google Slides, it does not matter to me. And you can share the project with me with my email at sbratcher@hp-schools.org. Like I said, be creative, make it colorful, make it unique to you. And as you guys see here, it can be a flag or a shield or any design that you want. It doesn't necessarily have to look ancient like this one does, but that's just where it's from, is that people that saw a crest and they knew that that's what that person was known for. And so in conjunction with what we did yesterday and the character study on Joseph, this is what we are going to do. You guys get the opportunity to be a little bit more creative with it. I really want you to give some thought into the 4 symbols and what you're actually going to put on here, and obviously what verse you're going to go with. Guys, as always, be respectful of other people when they start posting, and obviously make sure that it is classroom appropriate and professional, like we talked about yesterday in that email. If you have any questions, I'll be jumping on the tutorials this morning and again this afternoon. If it's an email question, that's great, but if you want to have more of a conversation about it and have multiple questions, you might want to jump on there and ask them. And I'll do my best to record some of those voice recordings so that people can hear you asking those questions. That'd be great. All right, thanks guys. Have a good day.